Hi and welcome to Talk Graphics Code Design. This is the ZAR file that you supplied. I've made it slightly larger, no need to mess around with small stuff, but if I just go Control All, it says it's one group, a range. I'm going to ungroup it for a minute. And it says it's three shapes, so you go 1, 2, 3. Undo that, undo that, undo that, and I go Control All and group it again. Now the first thing you're going to do, not be able to do, is to make a ribbon like this suggests in Zara 3D Designer 7, whatever. What you can do, however, is if you Control and hit K, you can make a duplicate copy of that shape above the rest of it, and I'm just going to fill it with green, and it comes up and it says what colours do I want to adjust, and I'll just replace all, and just to make sure I'll go Arrange, Combine Shapes. Oh, sorry, got to have it selected first. Sorry, my mouse has gone absolutely stupid at the moment. Arrange, Combine Shapes, Add Shapes, and if I just go down to Wireframe, you can just see that that's one shape. The other thing I ensured before I started was that the width and height were in whole pixels. So this one here is 180 pixels wide by 500 pixels high. This one here is 180 pixels wide by 500 pixels high. I'm going to go Edit. I'm going to copy that shape. Then I'm going to open Zara 3D Maker 7. And this is what I normally have as my default in Zara 3D Maker 7. I'm going to hit the Show and Hide Cursor and just backspace to get rid of that. Show and hide the cursor, and if I just run through, you can see there's nothing else there. So I go Edit, Paste, and there you have that shape that you wanted in Zara 3 Designer. And if we scrub along that end, I don't think you need it that deep at all. So let's just reduce the extrusion just so it's not as fat as you want. Okay, and go back to the first frame. So therefore, if we play that, you've now got your shape. Just let me pause for a second. Yeah, okay, I just wanted to bring up the options bar, the animations bar here, and you can see at the moment it's only rendering the front face. If I click off that, you can render the front and back face a bit fast, so I'll change that to 50. Okay, and then you can see you've got your shape going around, and I'll pause this again. Right, so you've now got the 3D shape that you required into Zara 3D Maker 7. And the next thing to do is import a texture. So we'll just drop that out a minute, and back in Zara Designer Pro 12 here, you've got this one group which again is in whole pixels. I'm going to go File, I'm going to export that PNG, and just let me, for some reason this window won't close down, so I'm going to just call export this as I'm going to export as Gruffalo PNG. Just for want of a better word, I'm going to go into settings, and the settings are for true color plus alpha. I'm going to export that. Okay, then next we need to go back into Zara 3D and we go into texture options, and I'm going to go text faces, texture. I want to load a texture, and the texture name was Gruffalo PNG. I'm going to go open, and you can see now that that texture is on 100% there, and it's quite happily zooming around. You can go on text so it runs along the sides as well. Sorry, but I'd recommend you just go on the text faces, and for your text sides leave that actually blank. Sometimes you get black lines down the side here, and then you can just go File and you export your animation to whatever size you want to export it at. But that's how I'd go about it. Anyway, I hope this helped. This is Egg. All the best. Cheers. Goodbye.